When you click on some site, it shows that site cannot be reached. It is quite disturbing. In this video I will tell you that how you can open such a sites. So let's begin. First of all, open Play Store in your Android mobile. In the Play Store, search for a VPN 1.1.1. Some people faces problem for finding the best VPN because they download such a VPNs which actually do not work. I guarantee that this VPN will work perfectly and you will be the fan of its performance. So download this VPN 1.1.1 with this icon. As I already have downloaded this app, so I simply open it and you have to download it first. When I open this app, then it has such sort of interface. So here is the option of connecting this VPN. As my VPN is disconnected, so I simply click here to connect my VPN. So by clicking, it's saying it is connecting, checking the connection. Just wait a second, my VPN is connected and now my internet is private as well. Now I can open the site previously which I wasn't able to open that site. Now you can say before that I was unable to open this site. Now this site is open. So if you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any other problem related to technical, please comment. I will make a video on your problem. Thank you very much.